this is Chef Colleen, co-author of the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide with Dr. John Poothullil. And I'd like to share some tips today about including lentils as part of a diabetes-friendly diet. So as you can see, I've got a few different kinds of lentils here.
So lentils are considered legumes. They're a good source of protein, and they're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And because they have a lot of fiber, they're low glycemic, so they help you feel full longer and keep your weight stable. They come in a variety of colors. Brown lentils are the common lentils that you see. They're often used in burgers and soups. French green lentils are really tasty in salads. Red lentils are often used in Indian meals and dals. They're delicious. And black lentils are very nutritious. They keep your weight stable and your blood sugar low, and they're useful when you replace them for rice or pasta or some other high-carb item on your plate. Instead, use lentils.
You can see that people make lentil flour into pasta, so it's a great way you can enjoy pasta if you don't eat gluten or you're watching your carbs. So there's a variety, and they take different amounts of time to cook, but they are something that would be really great for people who are diabetic or pre-diabetic to include in your diet and keeping your blood sugar low. So thanks for joining me on our exploration of lentils today, and thanks for watching.